Welcome to the AI Witch YouTube channel. Subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos and look out for upcoming AI books and other related items. Explore our video library and try a spell today. Welcome to this magic spell for attaining wealth through starting up your own business and bringing good fortune and riches to your business. Which deity will we be using? For this spell, we will be summoning the assistance of the ancient Egyptian deity Horus. Horus is known for being the god of kings, war, and hunting, and is also associated with protection, wealth, and prosperity. He is a powerful and effective choice for this type of spell, as he can help you to achieve success and prosperity in your business endeavors. Which ingredients will we be using? For this spell, you will need the following ingredients. A green candle, to represent growth and prosperity. A piece of pyrite, also known as fool's gold, to attract wealth and abundance. A piece of paper and a pen, to write down your business goals and intentions. A small bowl of water, to represent the flow of money and abundance. A few drops of patchouli essential oil, to attract prosperity and abundance. What are the optimal times in which to do this spell? This type of spell is best performed on a Thursday, during the waxing moon phase. This is a time of growth and increasing abundance, making it an ideal time to perform spells related to wealth and prosperity. Here are the instructions for the spell. To begin, find a quiet and peaceful space where you can focus on your intentions. Light the green candle and place it in front of you, along with the pyrite and the bowl of water. Write down your business goals and intentions on the piece of paper, and place it in front of the candle. Then, add a few drops of patchouli essential oil to the bowl of water. Now say the following incantation. Horus, great deity of kings, bring prosperity and wealth to my business, please. Help me to find success and abundance in all that I do and all that I see. With your guidance and protection, I know I will thrive. So mote it be. What you will do after the incantation. Allow the candle to burn down completely, and keep the pyrite with you as a reminder of your intentions. Dispose of the bowl of water and the piece of paper in a natural setting, such as a garden or a park. Conclusion. Thank you for joining me in this magic spell for attaining wealth through starting up your own business. May the deity Horus guide and protect you on your path to prosperity and abundance. If you found this video helpful, please help me continue making content by subscribing to my channel, AI Witch. Also keep an eye out for upcoming AI-related books, items, and more from my channel. Thank you for your support, and until next time, blessed be.